just got a new equipment in the shop. I'm excited to see what it is. There it is. It's the H2D.
What does that mean?
It means print quality and speed. Let's unbox it. Ah! More tape. This is heavy.
Yeah, I imagine it's heavy. How many pounds is that?
60, maybe? I'm not sure. Okay.
Okay, you want this?
Now I want this printer. I'm stupid.
What happened?
There's tabs down here that I could have just released to get the box up. This is what excitement does. Yeah, I'm already cutting up the other sides. Might as well go all the way.
Okay.
Just like. Oh, this is nice. I'm keeping this.
It's very well packaged.
It is. The rest of the accessories are also well packaged inside the printer. It's best that we do the whole unboxing here because there are parts inside that I may not get to once we put it on the tall desk. Look at that. Woohoo! So if you're like, I might need your help on this one. It's really heavy.
Yeah, over there.
Over there. You got it. Okay, I'm gonna twist it.
So how much was this?
I think they're going about $2,000 right now on their website.
Is that like a market price or get a deal off?
Yeah, regular market price. I'm not sure if they're doing any deals, but if you possibly get like a code from their partners, you might be able to get the price down a little bit. Right, there's the AMS, the color changing for the filaments, and I'm going to go set it up right now and calibrate it. Nope. Yep.
Does it come with its own screwdriver?
I'm pretty sure it does. I just have mine right here, so I'm gonna use it. For those who are not familiar with this machine, this is what they call the AMS, which allows you to use different colors and types of filaments. So you can create those 3D prints where there's actual colors in it, and that you don't have to paint them yourself. Yeah, for most of the other printers with single heads, you're gonna have to like smooth out your prints, prime it, and then paint it. This basically takes your colored filaments, combine them in one print, so you have a more prepared object in the end. You could choose to paint it. You could choose to paint it, or you could just leave it as it is. Depending on how smooth it is, what resolution you're using, you could probably just put a clear coat on it and just call it a day. So much little screws.
How long does it take to print?
That's the thing with colored printers. Since it's using multiple filaments, you can't really expect the speeds that single head printers do, where basically it's just one color and it just lays everything down at once. For this, the head has to move back, change to another color filament, and that adds time to the print.
Wow.
There it is. That's the filament.
So that goes on top of it?
Yes, sir. That's the filament changer. Bambu also offers their own line of filaments, and it is something that the machine can identify, so it knows what settings to use for it. It's really cool. Like normal 3D printer filament spools are just like the cardboard ones. The specialized ones for the machine has a, what do you call that? An RFID on it. That way the machine can identify what color it is and what settings, what type of material it is, so it knows what temperature to put it on and not completely melt your design into just like one huge blob. Depending on the color of the filament that you're going to use, then you can have a lot broader spectrum when they start to like mix in.
Oh, so it's 350, 320, 325?
Yeah, we can print some tall stuff on this.
So what's the first thing you're going to print on this thing?
I don't know, a DeLorean.
You get a color printer, the first thing you print is a gray car.
At least it's color accurate gray. It's stainless, by the way. It's like, it's so well packaged that there are literally foam and retainers everywhere, so it doesn't shift during shipping.
I
Thank you.
imagine this had to be super well packed.
Than't you for that.
A lot of point of failure on this thing.
I think the only point of failure on this machine is me. See, now I need like a really long Allen key to get the screw out. Maybe.
Does it have a touchscreen?
It does.
Wow.
Yeah. I mean, nowadays, what doesn't? I'm guessing the tool that we need to get those screws out maybe in here. They may be in here. No, they're not. It may be in here. Because it says accessory box. Accessory.
Thank God we know how to read.
Hey! Look at that. They give you everything you need. Even a spare nozzle. All right, let's get that thing off. What am I doing wrong?
You need the instruction manuals.
We're technicians, we don't read manuals. We try until we succeed. I got it loose. Second one. There we go. Now the bed can move up and down freely.
So what do you look for when it comes to like these printers when you're trying to buy one?
Price.
Ah,
I mean, you can't print on anything you can't afford, because it might never be yours.
I love Vansquare. How do you feel about this new printer?
As long as it works, it works.
Like, you're not excited enough. Get away.
Sorry.
We don't pay him to be excited. We pay him to be realistic.
I'm the excited technician doing this thing. That is one tough cable tie.
That's good, right?
Wait, I'll show you how it looks like. It's
Excited until proven in the field
Look at this.
is the best way to describe it.
Whoa.
This is like kidnap ties.
Why do you know what kidnap ties are?
I don't know. I see it in the movies.
Sure, buddy.
I watch a lot of movies.
Movies, he says.
Movies. I might
There
need.
was someone on the printer subreddit the other day who bought one of these, and it's literally like a video of, I don't know if it was FedEx or UPS, but they have the box and they're rolling the box down the
Ooh.
driveway, and it's thunk, 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 and it's just like,
This is why they package it. this way.
yes, exactly. Why.
Not for the customers, for the shippers. Oh. Oh, we need to like set up a poop chute for this head first. It's probably gonna go in. It's gonna go probably forward to where it needs to go.
That's gonna be very funny.
English? North America. We're North America, right? Yeah, there's nothing
No,
else.
we're
here.
others.
Oh, don't show our Wi-Fi. Of course we're gonna agree. We want to join this. Want to use it.
Oh, so is it gonna run now?
I hope. Wait, no.
Is it gonna run with that foam in the way?
I know, right? Let's turn it off. There's another thing here. Didn't see. Well hidden. Oh, it's alive. It's doing it. It's working.
You didn't know any better. That would sound bad.
Yeah, but I think those are like belt tensioners or something. I
Yeah, I
don't know.
don't know what those are.
The bed is rising. Oh wow, you can make a really big object with that thing.
Yeah.
A hammer. I'll make a hammer. How much are kidneys going nowadays?
Huh?
How much are kidneys going for nowadays?
I looked up trying to sell your own kidney. It's a pain in the ass.
Really?
Because you gotta find a buyer and it's illegal.
I gotta put the amps. Amps. All right, we got the printer set up and doing its initial calibration right now, so we'll let it finish. And stay tuned, subscribe to our channel to see what amazing stuff we'll do with this thing. I'll see you guys later.